Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need someone to remotely connect to your computer to provide support or transfer files, you must provide them with your unique AnyDesk ID or address. I will show you exactly how to locate and share this connection number right now. Let's get started. First, ensure that the AnyDesk application is fully launched and running on the computer you want someone to connect to. Once the main window is open, look directly at the top center or the left side of the screen under the section labeled Your Address or This Desk. Here, you will see a prominent 9-digit number which serves as your unique system identifier. Next, rather than trying to memorize or manually type out the 9-digit sequence, AnyDesk provides a quick way to share it without making any typos. Simply hover your mouse over the ID number or look right next to it for a small icon that looks like two overlapping paper squares. Click this Copy Address icon and your ID will be instantly saved to your clipboard so you can easily paste it into an email or chat message. Finally, keep in mind that depending on your account settings or if you are using a paid license, your ID might not be a string of numbers at all. Instead of a 9-digit code, you might see a custom text alias, such as your name followed by @AD. This custom alias functions exactly the same way as the standard number, so you can simply copy this exact text to the remote user to establish the secure connection. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.